So here we go, a journey to Dublin to collect the famous master Yan Shou Gong. Wu Mei, five ancestors, oh, it's been a long day. Five ancestors fist. Yan Shou Gong, of course. All things Neigong. And we're going to do a little bit of a road trip and a bit of a showcase and just a bit of downtime and decompression and healing work, and get to gather together with old friends and new friends. So watch this journey. Let's see how we go. Dublin traffic, wowzers. People don't realize, you know, when you're involved in internal arts and sharing the work, you have to travel and you have to negotiate traffic a lot. So let's see how we get on. How are you?
Hey.
How are you?
Dressed for summer.
Yeah. It's anything above 15 degrees in summer here.
Feel that your table is down, you recheck. Now, in our learning process in the second stage of awareness, we have this thing we call testing. You see? So because you see, the force that I give you goes to your feet, right? Is good? Okay. It's okay. Right. You just bend a bit. Bend, and imagine you're pushing your fingers into a tub of sand here, soft sand. So you stretch your fingers, bend down. Yeah.
Morning. So here we are in Mullingar. Here we have rounds. 7:15 in the morning. That's a lion for me. So now I'm preparing to drive all the way down to West Cork to meet some friends and do some more training. Such is the life. On the way we'll pick up a colleague, hopefully get some nice food and some nice views of Ireland for the crew, and keep following the journey. It's not glamorous, trust me. It's fun, but it's not glamorous. Good morning.
Well, I come from a Chinese ethnic background and a Chinese.
Do not do the wind farm.
This one can, this one cannot. No, when I'm fresh.
Just reverse the video. We do AI and change it.
Okay, yeah.
Here's my little hobbit house for Peter Dillon's seminar with Master Yap. So really looking forward to it. And we're going to now just relax for the evening, just get to know each other, eat some food, have some chats, and have a little look at my little digs. Yeah, very gracious, very great host, lovely man, broad history of martial arts and training and scuba diving and general adventures. So looking forward to catching up and finding out what his life was about and what led him to the internal martial arts. And there's a common thread here, you know, so let's go for a little walk. See how we go.
As are one of them, but two of them actually were the
Usual mustard, balsamic, lemon, a bit of cider. Yeah, but there's
through the arms. Yeah. Right? And the last count is good.
Is there?
Not that many actually, just a few.
I think a lot of it's the same thing with you.
Yeah.
People having it. Details that we You know, it took me years to realize that. But that's the kind of thing, you know, I said it took me years just to realize that. I just bought another phone with a, you know,